Welcome to BoltBot. Allow us to demonstrate some of the functions available on our bot. First and foremost, you need to type "Start" to begin setting up your wallet. If you wish to create a new wallet, simply click on the "Create New Wallet" button. Once the wallet setup is complete, you will receive a message containing your key and address. Remember to keep your private key secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. It is recommended to write it down in a safe place. The bot will also provide you with instructions on how to use its features. Next, click on the Functions command to view a list of available functions. There are two main functions, buy and sell. Each function is accompanied by explanations and examples. You will also find the Settings and Balance commands. Now, let's proceed to the settings. To edit the gas, click on Edit Gas. You will be given the option to choose between medium or high gas. Select your preferred option, and the bot will confirm that the gas has been updated accordingly. Similarly, to edit the slippage, simply type in the desired value. For example, if you choose 13, the bot will confirm that your new slippage is set to 13. Then, there is a balance command. When you click on this command, you will see all your wallet holdings. You can view the amount of Ether you are holding, along with its current value in US dollars. Below that, you can see all your ERC20 token holdings, including the balance and the current value in US dollars. More, click on Wallet to access your Ether scan page. Thank you for choosing BoltBot. We hope you enjoy using our platform.